Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your beauty school. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to search for my market, beauty school. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our beauty school so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your beauty school is located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. Awesome, man. Look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my beauty school in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some absolutely stunning images of maybe your students in action doing performing their different techniques like makeup, for example, like this image, and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written, you can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how simple it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top to the first section. Let's do a quick scroll. Awesome. And I'm going to click on update section over here. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address for my beauty school so it's displayed on my website. Let's go ahead and do that. Awesome. Once my email address is in, I'm going to go ahead and check this box so it's displayed on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number. It's displayed next to our email address as well as the bottom, and it is clicked to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our physical location of our beauty school, as well as our postal code. Now, the great thing about that address displayed in the top left hand corner as well as the bottom, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's move along. Let's head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that are beauty school is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom. Let's check that out. There it is over there. So your customers can easily get in touch with you, follow you, get some engagement going, and see what your beauty school is up to. Let's move along and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your beauty school, Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on here. My logo's been uploaded. However, I want to just crop it ever so slightly so it fits into the section a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and do that. You also have the option to add filters, to decorate, to rotate it, zoom in, etc. So I've cropped it ever so slightly. Let's re-upload that and we can see now it's going to fit a little bit better into that section. Awesome. Upload complete. You can make it bigger and smaller by clicking on these little buttons over here, but it's absolutely not necessary. I like that sizing perfectly, so I'm going to move on. Now with multi-sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your beauty school. However, perhaps these colors don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your logo, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you. So let's check that out and see which ones work best. Awesome. Let's take a closer look. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. All of these options are really beautiful, but I think I'm going to go ahead and select that. That goes really well with my message and my branding. Let's head on over to update section and head over to update image. Now over here, browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Mighty Sites will automatically search for beauty school, but you can be a little bit more specific. So perhaps you want to search for a manicure or makeup or whatever different beauty offerings you have and be a little bit more specific. But I think this image is pretty suitable, so I'm going to go ahead and try that one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. Awesome. That looks awesome. Happy with it. Let's head over to update content. Over here, we can change the content, the title, subtitle, button. Doesn't have to say contact us today. Maybe you wanted to say get directions so people can easily find you. For example, go ahead and click on choose link. Now you can link to another website. You can link to another part of your multi-sites website or an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and select directions. Now you can upload a PDF file as well. Maybe you have a catalog or your different offerings in PDF formats, a brochure, and you want to upload it to that button so your customers can click on it and download the PDF. Over here, we've got again pre-written content. Button can link to various places. Click on update section and make the necessary changes. We've now made our way into the about us section with this absolutely stunning image. I love her eyes and her makeup. It's beautiful. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your beauty school came to be, how long your beauty school has been running. Perhaps you are a beauty professional yourself. That's how you got into the industry. Go ahead and put all the details over here so your potential students can read a little bit more about you and how your school came to be. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services you offer. Do you offer like massage, therapy, skincare, and makeup? Do you offer affordable payment plans for people that maybe can't quite afford the training? Flexible schedules, maybe for people that have full time jobs and they want to do it in the evenings, financial aid. Go ahead and put all the details over here in the services section. We've now made our way into the lead form, the last section. Over here, your customers and potential students can easily ask you questions and get in touch with you. All they need to do is put in their name, their email address, their phone number if they want, message, and click on send. You will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your messages/leads in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. So if you have a custom domain, for your beauty school, click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available on our YouTube channel, by the way, as well as a blog post on our website, www.martysites.com. Head on over to our blog. You'll also find some fantastic tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So much valuable information here for small business owners. So I highly recommend you check it out. Lots of marketing tips. If you don't have a domain yet, click on our Want a New Domain. You can purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. Over here, we're now in your Mighty dashboard. Over here is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you on the previous screen. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your beauty school. Remember, the service for the Mighty Sites platform is going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the multi site's free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So, click on the link below this video and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. See how well the platform works. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.